Good day everyone, I am Midshipman Biogosley Joseph S. from BSMT1 Charlie, and today we're going to present my IMBP about mnemonics of light, shape, fog, and sound signals that turn of a life. Lost in the waves, a heart forlorn, in music black holes, a signal burn, so in line by light of day, at night. Two red lights lead the way. Rum and light, three black bottle. When of the meets hit their call. Three red lights in the midnight deep. CB is trapped in the lights they keep. Power-driven vessel with lights aglow. Sidelights green and red. In the night they show. Sailing ships with stern agleam, guiding through the darkness like a dream. Vessel under oars in quiet glide, a white light shines in their path to guide. Fishing boats with lights aligned, white over red their signals blind. Trawlers stroll in the deep blue sea, white over red their lights decree. Pushing vessels with lights aligned, side lights turn light and masthead shine. Flag and stow with lights on high, side lights turn light into mastheads in the sky. Pilot vessels flashing bright, yellow light guides through the darkest night. Anchored vessel in a peaceful rest, all round white lights in the water crest. A crowd in trouble lights proclaim, three red lights a warning aim. Anchoring ships with yellow glow, two lights on high and a vertical row. My clearance vessel, green light the line, dredging and diving, the yellow light shines. A caution vessel with lights on guard, two red lights stand ever unarmed. We craft and siblings in the night's embrace, green, white, and red light their grace.